I'm Allie.
Hi, Allie. Welcome to Denmark.
Oh, thank you.
The birthplace of the modern wind industry.
Are these the blades?
So here we have some retired blades. They come from the first offshore wind turbine in the world.
So let's go take a look around. These things are huge.
Come, I have some to show you. We are designing and manufacturing the most reliable blades possible. Testing the blades is the heart of what we do.
Okay.
A reliable blade, it means less service. And less service, it's a lower cost of energy for everyone.
Can I touch it?
Yes.
Ooh, it's like a big surfboard. Oh my God, is it hollow?
So it's made out of two shells that we glue together.
Can we go see more of them?
Let's go. We have some finished blades.
All right. Oh my gosh. What? This is even bigger.
Yes.
How does something this massive generate power?
These blades are actually rotating, and every rotation can produce enough energy to power one home for 40 hours.
How do you make sure that it's working?
Here we are pushing our blades beyond the industry standards. Let's go. I will show you some tests we do here. So this is our blade testing facility. It's here where we do our dynamic testing. The purpose of this test is to simulate the lifetime of the blade.
So how do you test that? Do they put weights on them and just bounce them? What do they do?
Actually, we push the blade up and down without touching it. A normal dynamic test, it will be running 24 hours, 7 days a week, about 3 to 5 million cycles, where the blades go up and down for several months. Our blades are designed to withstand a typhoon that will happen once every 100 years.
Is that all the testing that you have to do for these?
Actually, there is one more test that I would like to show you.
Whoa.
Allie, this is Jordi.
Hey, Allie.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Same to you.
So where are we? What is this?
You're here in the wind tunnel facility of Allen Wind Power. We're actually the only blade manufacturer in the entire world that has their own wind tunnel facility.
How fast does the wind go?
The maximum speed is 380 kilometers an hour.
Why do you have all this yarn taped?
Actually, we prepared a test especially for you. So we have about 280 sensors you can see here on the surface. We do this to measure the performance of blade sections, and then we can calculate what the optimum blade should look like.
So the sensors, where are they monitored?
They are being sent to the control room. You can actually come and see.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I want to see that. I want to see that.
So here we are going to start the wind tunnel.
Okay.
See what happens to those tufts that we saw earlier in the wind tunnel. You're allowed to start the fan. You can
Ooh,
start
I can
the
do
fan.
this? Okay.
So you just press the start button.
Summoning Zephyr. Here we go. Starting. So what is this test teaching you?
What we are trying to do is making sure that the aerodynamic performance is as optimum as possible. So we capture as much as possible power out of a given turbine blade.
All to make better blades.
Yes.
What are the tufts doing now? Because we're at race car speed.
So we can see they are completely straight.
Is that a good sign?
That's a very good sign. It means that the flow is completely smooth over the profile that we're measuring.
So more wind stays on the blade, more energy you can capture.
Exactly. So now you have seen what the power of the wind is. Would you also like to feel it?
Like go in the thing?
Like go in the thing.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, yes, yeah, put me in, coach.
And let's get you strapped in.
Oh my God, I'm gonna need a ponytail holder.
Now we just need a safety signal if you want us to stop.
Okay, so let's do this first stop.
Good luck.
All right. That is a final sounding click. Why did I say yes to this? Okay. A little breezy. Feel the breeze. Oh no. This is sitting in front of a fan. Oh my gosh. It's like sticking your head out of the window when going down the freeway. I'd never have to go skydiving again.
So, did you feel the power of the wind?
Oh my God. That was insane.
Yes.
How fast did I go?
Well, it was 181.
181?
181.
Seriously?
Yes. Yeah, but 181 is really, really, really fast.
I have a whole new respect for air.